So there's been a lot of chit chat about the Wal-Mart Birkin. And I finally got my hands on something similar, and so we got to talk about it. My name is Tashara, Politics of Fashion, and I create videos about style, self-care, and social justice, and welcome to another hot take. Now, I recognize that this conversation started probably about 3 weeks ago, but it took me that long to get my hand on the bag because I did not want to talk to you all without at least first putting my eyes on it. And as many of you know, the bag was removed from Walmart's website, and I got a Kelly dupe, an Hermes Kelly dupe that took weeks and weeks and weeks to come. So I'm going to open it with you today. Video is all about my first reactions. First, let me say that fast fashion has us in a chokehold, and many of us already knew that. But judging by this alone, this packaging is violent. Nothing actually has to be sent to you like this, and I want our people to know that, and I want us to raise our expectations because this is actually abysmal. This bag was still like $65, $70, and I don't even know what's in here. I wouldn't assume it was a handbag. But we move, okay? So we're just going to open this thing on up, and we are going to do together first reactions. Okay, this is what I'm seeing first, okay? It has some writing here that I'm going to assume is likely in Chinese. Open it up together. And it is in this little bag. Now, this is the bag the girls are saying is, they're saying these bags are they're saying they're just like a Birkin. They said them bags are just, you can put them side by side and you couldn't tell the difference. That's what the girls are saying on these applications. And this is what mine came in. And you saw the outer packaging. Let's see. Hold on, wait. Let's have this moment together. Put my glasses on. Let me see. Hold on. Let me open this thing on up, girl. Let's open this thing up. Hold on. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Open it, girl. I recognize that this is not the working. I do. I recognize this because I know this is not the same manufacturer of the bags that went viral. It is absolutely no way. Because I've gotten bags from Payless. Let's open the strap. Let's see, girl. I know that thing is giving. This is the Kelly dupe that I got on Walmart. Let's call it the Welly. You all let me know your thoughts down below.